back to Handmade with me, Marianne, and
I'm Jessica. Hey!
So Jessica and I work together here at HGTV Handmade with a lot of other people.
And every year we kind of try to give out Christmas presents, but as you can imagine, it's very difficult to make handcrafted gifts for like 30 people.
Yeah, I mean, not only do we work at HGTV Handmade, like everyone's super creative, everyone's super thoughtful, and you have to make gifts for like 20 people, which is not only time consuming, it gets really expensive. Anyway, Jessica and I are gonna show you guys 3 super cute, easy, and inexpensive bulk gifts. And they all start with a plain ornament.
Let's get started.
For this, we'll need 3 cups of Epsom salts in 3 separate bowls.
Then add a tablespoon of baking soda to each bowl.
All right, Jessica, now it's time to get creative. We're gonna add some color.
Make them festive.
Make them festive, make them seasonal. It's the holidays, right? So I have this, this is an all-natural food coloring that is completely safe. It doesn't stain, it's not gonna stain your bathtub. And then we have some essential oils. So let's see, I think we'll leave 1 white and then 1 green, maybe with this eucalyptus and peppermint. And then the red we will scent with peppermint. And we'll just add several shakes of the essential oils.
Usually when you do this, you add like 15 drops or so, but we're just kind of winging
I'm
it.
definitely not counting. Okay, now we have like a little, just kind of,
We don't actually know what this
we don't know
is.
what this is called.
If somebody knows what this is, please let us know.
Let us know in the comments below if you know what this is called. I'm calling it like a muddler.
I like the sound of that.
Sure.
I love a mojito.
I love a mojito. The food coloring is going to kind of clump up at first, so
Don't be afraid.
yeah.
Just keep going.
don't panic. As you really get that coloring mixed in, you may want to go through and add a little bit more. It kind of takes more than you think it does.
Especially when the food coloring starts to clump a little bit, but have faith that it will work.
Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about my red. Your green looks
festive.
smells very fragrant. All right, we're gonna give the white a stir as well, and then it's time to start filling our ornaments. All right, let's just set these aside and grab our muffin tin. So this is a great hack if you guys are making these projects. They hold the ornaments so they don't roll all over the place while you're trying to fill them. And that's what
So
makes
easy.
it makes it so easy to do a bunch of these at once. So we're just popping the top off. You wanna make sure to get the fillable ornaments.
Yes.
And plastic.
Plastic is very important. You don't want to do this with glass.
Nobody wants to drop a glass ornament into their bathtub. It would be very not relaxing.
Opposite of a sponge. If you don't have a funnel small enough to fit your ornaments opening, just make a funnel out of paper.
All right, Jessica, now it's time to fill. So I've got some cups, 1 for each color, and you can layer these however you want. Make it. I think I'm gonna make one that looks like a candy cane.
I like the sound of that.
I know, it sounds pretty good.
I'm really partial to the eucalyptus, so
It smells
I'm gonna
incredible.
Take that one.
And just remember that your white layer does not have any scent to it. So you're really bringing all the scented action in with your color layers. And if you pour too much, and you just pour it out, it's pretty easy. But the nice thing about these small ornaments is they're the perfect amount for 1 bath. So you can give this to your recipient and they can just dump the whole thing in a bath. Oh my gosh, how cute would these be though? Like a whole little canister of these in your bathroom?
Yeah.
For the holidays? Should I become the kind of person that decorates their bathroom
I
for
was just gonna
Christmas?
say, are you thinking like bathroom tree?
Bathroom Christmas tree?
Oh my gosh.
This changes everything. Look how cute that is though. You can see the little white stripe. It's really cute. Obviously these are adorable just to give on their own, but if you really want to level up, you can hit the dollar store and buy some little loofahs.
Got some spa gloves and some spa masks.
Oh,
Refreshing.
yeah. Little face mask. This is like a little treat yourself situation. And all of this stuff, including the materials to make the bath salts and these little extra goodies, these gifts still come in at under $5 a piece. I'd be so happy to find this at my desk.
Oh yes, absolutely.
All right, but look at that, guys.
Beautiful.
How stinking cute is that? All right, but this is just the first. We're just getting started. Let's move on to the next
Got
one.
more.
Okay, Jessica, so this one is super easy and it's perfect for all the green thumbs in your life. We have some little light bulb shaped ornaments. They're so cute. And we're literally just going to fill them with some of our favorite wildflower seeds. And then we're going to top them with some dried flower buds.
Which are actually very fragrant. It's kind of like 2-in-1.
Yeah, and this is nice too because the seeds are really tiny. So it kind of helps fill the ornament, plus make it pretty.
Look pretty.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do lavender.
I'm gonna go with the poppy.
And you want to hang on to your seed packets. We're actually gonna show you how to kind of package those up with the gift because you want people to know what you're giving them and know where it needs to be planted. They're so little. So we're gonna do several packets. All right, so once you pour some seeds in there, go nuts. I'm gonna put lavender buds in the lavender. Now that we're done, we're gonna show how to package these guys up.
So we've got some gardening gloves, and all we're gonna do is just stick the seed packets inside the gloves. And the seed packets are just very nice to have. Makes it really easy on a new gardener.
So now we're just going to take our ornament, I'm going to string them together on a little bit of twine, then just tie them onto gardening gloves. And if you garden, then you know you can never have too many pairs of gardening gloves. There we go. So cute. So that's bulk gift number 2.
That was even easier than the last one, I think.
This was really
This is
easy.
super easy.
And I think the next one is also really easy and delicious. All right, Jessica, I think we've saved the best for last because this one is first edible, second involves hot chocolate, which is like my fave. And this one's so easy too. So we're gonna start with our handy dandy ornaments. And we made another paper funnel and we made this one really skinny.
As you can see here, the hot cocoa is very powdery, and if you don't use a funnel, the powder will kind of fly up at you, go everywhere, make a giant mess.
The idea here is that one of these ornaments makes 1 mug full of hot cocoa. That's looking good. And now we're gonna grab a regular funnel to add all of our toppings because this one is so narrow.
The white chocolate we're gonna fill up with peppermint candies. This one's about my own heart. I love peppermint, everything.
Got the perfect cup of hot cocoa.
Look at that.
Pop the top back on. Oh, I think the peppermint one is so cute.
I love the colors on it.
And all that's left is to package these. So we've got these really cute mugs that I found at the dollar store. We're going to start by putting in some of this shredded paper just so our ornament will sit up in the mug. And some peppermint spoons, also from the dollar store, also like the cutest thing I've ever seen. And just plop our cute little ornament. And then finishing touch,
Little peppermint spoon.
Oh my gosh, they are so cute. But you know, I want to hear from you guys. What do you all do when you have like 20 people to buy gifts for, and which one of these ornament gifts would you make? Why don't you let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And if you've missed any of our handmade holiday videos, we've posted a playlist right down below.
See you next time. Happy holidays. Cheers. Cheers.